You gotta wait, so let me go inside.
No, that's not how it works.
I don't have it on me.
That's not how it works.
You just touched me. No, you just touched me.
I need your license right now.
You shouldn't be doing that.
I need your license.
No, you just touched me. Get out. You just touched
A speeding violation in a school zone. 2 unrestrained children. A suspended license the driver could not reveal. In under 60 seconds. The encounter escalated from a citation to 2 separate felony charges. None of this was coincidental. The law operated exactly as designed.
First of all, you're doing 31 and a 20, and both of them are not buckled in. He's standing up.
Yeah, I told him to sit down.
All right. Well, I need your license.
You gotta wait, so let me go inside.
No, that's not how it works.
I don't have it on me.
That's not how it works.
Well, I don't have it. Do not touch me. You just touched me. No, you just touched me.
I need your license right now.
You shouldn't be doing that.
I need your license right now.
You just touched a female.
I need your license
no, I'm going
right
to
now.
You. What is your name?
Officer Vo, badge
Okay.
number. I need your license right now.
I don't have my license.
Are you refusing to buy your driver license to me?
Yeah.
All right. Put your hand behind your back.
You're not touching me.
Put your hand behind your back.
No, I didn't refuse. I said I'm gonna put my kids right then. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Do not touch me. No. You just touched me. Get out. You just touched, and my kid has autism. Stop. Let me get up. I'll give you my license.
Put your hand behind your back.
Let me get up.
You literally just punched me. Put your hand behind your back.
Because you touched me. You just touched. Let me get up. I'll put my hand to my back. Let me get up fast. I'll give you my license.
No. We're past that point.
I didn't refuse to give you my
Yes, you did. You said you refused.
I said, let me put my kids.
No. That's not how it works. You don't do this. When I give you an order, you do it.
Okay, sir. But you touched me before anything.
Because you were walking away.
I wasn't walking away. I got down. I was bringing my kids to school.
I'm good.
He literally punched me. Exactly. He didn't let me bring the children inside. Can I get up at least? Él me empujó al piso. No me dejó ni darle mi licencia.
I'm 10-4. Use of force. Stand up.
Right, give you my license.
No.
You pushed me before anything.
Hello.
Hi, sorry. That's mom's stuff. This is the child.
So I'll pull her over.
It's okay.
Hey, baby.
You good, man?
I got punched. I'm seeing her flying by the school zones. 31, I clock her at 31 and 20. And both her kids, as she went by, they were standing up. They're not buckling, nothing.
Okay.
So I let her up in front. Then she pulled in and parked. So I got here. And she got out, said, I got to take my kid to school. I was like, that's not how it works. No, she's in the car. So she started from here. She got out, kind of walking. So I put my hand right here trying to stop her. She said, oh, you don't touch a female. So she said, I'm going to report you. And then I tell her, I need your driver's license. So I don't have it. I don't have it. Say, are you refusing to provide your driver's license? She says, yes. So then I go, point, is resisting.
Yep.
I'm trying to go take her. As I'm going like this, swing. So I grab, I brought her down.
Rush. He's got you. He's got your whole thing, so we're just here making sure you're okay.
Did you put it on the ground or anything like that, Bo?
Yeah, I have to take her down.
Okay.
So it's a use of force.
Are you okay, ma'am? Do you need medical?
He literally touched me. That's why he shouldn't be.
Okay, that wasn't my question. Do you need the fire department?
Get my phone, please. If I was to help me to cut dark.
She don't do nothing. She don't do nothing. Yes, she don't do nothing.
¿Tuviste todo?
Todos los días ella viene a dejar los niños en la escuela. Tú sabes, lo que él hizo fue muy mal. Él la empujó.
¿Qué hizo ella?
Nada, él la paró y él le pidió la licencia y la empujó. Este me da coraje.
Actually witnessed the entire thing from the start?
Ajá.
Are you willing to provide a sworn written statement of what happened today?
Ay, yo no me quiero meter en eso.
Okay.
No, porque
She doesn't even have cuffs on. Step out.
yes, I do. I have them.
No. Step out.
They hurt. He tied them.
She had her cuffs all the way off, so we just readjusted. We put them back on her.
So,
Did you talk to her?
No, I didn't
Alright,
ask
Ms.
any
O'Toole.
questions. So just ask her if she needs some medical attention. She said she's gone.
Star 11, you on traffic?
Okay. Hello, ma'am. All right, so I'm Sergeant Rush. The reason why I'm here, I'm not investigating why you got pulled over, but I'm investigating the part where it was a confrontation, the response to resistance. That's what I'm here for. So first of all, are you okay? You need any medical or anything? Okay, so can you explain with me what happened?
I was coming in from school and I was telling my kids, sit down, but my two kids, they have autism.
Okay.
So they don't want to sit down. I strapped them and then I didn't know there was a cop. I don't know where he comes and follow me when I'm turning into school. And he told I parked because I didn't know he was pulling me over, so I parked. And he turned on the light. So I'm like, so I got down and he got down running to me and pushed me to the door. And I was like, what are you doing? I'm just bringing my kids. And he was like, can you give me your license? I was like, I don't have my license at the moment, in physical. I don't have it on me. Mm-hmm. And he didn't even ask me for my name, nothing. He just pushed me to the floor and that was it. And since he hit me, I pushed him hey, stop. And that was wrong that I did, but I apologize. But he pushed me first, and I told him, do not touch a female when I'm not doing nothing wrong to you.
Okay. By chance, do you know your driver license number?
My license is suspended, to be honest.
What?
My license is suspended.
But do you know the number by chance?
Oh,
you know? So what's suspended for?
Tickets.
For tickets? Okay. How are you doing? You all right?
Okay.
All right. And then you still got that on? Yeah. I just wait till you get up till we get done with everything. So what charges? We got battery?
I ran a wheel for the swing and actually hit my resisting point for resisting.
Okay. I mean, she hit you, so it's with violence, yeah. Anything else? And then traffic charges. So she did say her license suspended. That's why she doing. That's why she didn't give it to you. Okay, so as of now, you are going to be arrested for multiple offenses. And, for driving with a suspended license and battery on a Leo.
What do you mean?
Battery on a law enforcement officer.
I didn't already touch him.
Okay? So that's what you're being charged with right now.
You still need to make that phone call? Okay. Once we go inside, I'll make sure.
No, este es el teléfono del policía, pero...
Yo, what the going on, man? Right now I got she getting picked up by my mom, bro.
Yeah, because they stopped me.
What happened this morning, man?
Walking, they stopped me. Yo te voy...
They pulled you over? Why?
Because I was driving.
And you ate a stop sign?
No. He said I was going 30 miles, and then since I don't have a license, and I restricted without, and I smacked the cop. That's it.
Why would you smack the cop?
Because he grabbed me first. He shouldn't be grabbing me. I was just grabbing my son. He thought I was gonna fight him or run off, so that's why he grabbed me. And then that shit got me mad. I don't like.
So he bruised you, basically.
To be honest, yo no creo que yo voy a tener, no creo que voy a tener un bond, porque por yo meterle a él hay zero bond, so I might stay here.
At which decision point did the law shift from civil to criminal exposure? Was each escalation legally required, legally authorized, or legally avoidable? The answers are embedded in the statutes and case law governing this encounter. Pennsylvania versus Mims, Supreme Court, 1977. A driver stopped by law enforcement has no legal authority to determine when or whether to comply during the stop. The duration and scope of compliance are set by the officer, not the driver. Florida Statute 322. 15 requires every licensed driver to carry their license in immediate possession while operating a vehicle and produce it upon officer demand. Forgetting the license, not having it available, or choosing not to retrieve it are not recognized exceptions under the statute. Affirmative refusal to produce identification during a lawful stop triggers Florida Statute 843-2. Resisting an officer without violence, a first-degree misdemeanor. It simultaneously provides independent grounds to detain the driver while licensure is verified through dispatch. Rodriguez versus United States, Supreme Court, 2015. License verification falls squarely within the permissible scope of a traffic stop under the Fourth Amendment. The stop is not complete until the officer has resolved the purpose for which it was initiated. Graham versus Connor, Supreme Court, 1000. 989. Force is evaluated by three simultaneous factors: the severity of the crime at issue, whether the subject poses an immediate threat to officer safety, and whether the subject is actively resisting or attempting to flee. All three are assessed at the moment force is applied, not in hindsight. So when a subject physically strikes an officer during active resistance, the Graham analysis shifts decisively across all three factors at once. The crime severity increases to battery. The immediate threat is established by the strike itself. Active resistance is not in dispute. Florida Statute 843.1. Resisting an officer with violence is a third-degree felony, carrying a maximum sentence of 5 years. The threshold is an overt physical act against the officer in the course of resisting a lawful detention. The charge does not require injury to the officer. Florida Statute 784. 7 subsection 2 paragraph B classifies battery on a law enforcement officer as a separate third-degree felony. The two charges are independent. A single physical act during an arrest can produce 2 distinct felony counts prosecuted concurrently. Florida courts have consistently held that an officer's authorized use of physical force to detain a resisting subject is not unlawful conduct. A subject cannot assert self-defense against an officer exercising lawful detention authority. The legal doctrine of self-defense does not apply to authorized police contact. Florida Statute 322.34 criminalizes operating a motor vehicle with a suspended or revoked license. The refusal to produce identification reflected a pre-existing legal condition. Producing the license would have confirmed the suspension. Refusing triggered obstruction. Neither option was without legal consequence. Each non-compliant decision in this encounter produced a distinct and cumulative legal consequence. A citation became obstruction. Obstruction became resistance. Resistance became a felony when force was applied. Florida law does not cap the compounding of charges arising from sequential non-compliance. The assertion that law enforcement may not physically touch a subject based on gender has no basis in the Fourth Amendment or Florida statute. Authorized physical contact during a lawful detention is the exercise of established legal authority, not unlawful conduct. Communications made from county jail facilities are recorded by default and are admissible as evidence. Any admission made on a recorded jail call, regardless of the speaker's awareness, forms part of the evidentiary record and can be used by the prosecution. A no-contest plea carries the same legal effect as a guilty plea for sentencing purposes under Florida law. Adjudication withheld means no formal conviction on the criminal record, but all probation conditions, community service obligations, and supervision requirements remain fully enforceable. The battery on a law enforcement officer charge was dismissed as part of the plea agreement. The resisting with violence charge, a felony, was retained. Whether this reflects prosecutorial discretion, evidentiary judgment, or negotiated terms, the record is not explicit. 2 children were removed from the vehicle by school staff during their mother's arrest. The legal system resolved the charges. What changes if the officer announces physical detention verbally before making contact? What changes if the driver provides her name instead of refusing? At what point does the law stop being a framework and start being a consequence?